With Turnberry Court Condo Association in Beloit, Wisconsin. We use multi-man services the past couple days to do a roof treatment on some of our older roofs. But before we get into that, we heard about multi-man services originally using them 2 years ago to do power washing on all of the buildings, which was great because it helped clean off mold and algae and that kind of stuff. So it really made it great. We also have used them for doing gutter cleaning, and recently got information about doing a roof treatment. Our condo association buildings are between 17 and 18 years old with the original roofs. So watching a short video that was on their website, looked at what this treatment would do. And then got a call from Eddie and saying we can do an individualized video for each of the 4 buildings that we were looking at having the treatment. So this is one of the buildings. So with this is they did an individual video that I showed to our board, and they were very impressed with looking at what really needed to be done. And a couple of the things that they were looking at is they were going to fix, I'm calling it fix, some items such as loose shingles, etc., and then doing the treatment, and then lastly cleaning the gutters. And looking at that video really showed the board, oh wow, we really need this. To us, the price was acceptable based on their pricing policy. And actually after the video, we actually got it taken care of within a couple weeks and actually finished it today. So we've been very happy with that, and actually we are also going to be having the company do the gutter cleaning on the buildings. So we've been very happy with them and definitely would recommend.
My name is Jonathan Casilli. I'm the Director of Construction for Skylight Real Estate Partners, and I handle all apartment renovations and CapEx projects throughout the portfolios, which are located in New York, New Jersey, and Florida. So 5 years ago was when we first started looking at the roofs as a general project. One of our roofers mentioned, hey, you should look into Maxx because it's a product that is not invasive to tenants. It's a very quick application, and it actually extends the life of the roof and gives you a warranty. So it checked a lot of boxes, at least initially, and then I started researching it and then went from there. I believed in all the research, but I wanted to see it firsthand in an environment like New Jersey, where it's brutal winters and tough summers with the sun. So we decided 5 years ago to try it out on 10 buildings. The process was very quick, very professional in their installation. After completing the first 10 trial buildings with the Maxx product, we received several windy storms, and we noticed that the other buildings we had severe issues with shingles being blown off those roofs, as compared to the 10 that had received the Maxx application. And at that point, it made even more sense to use the Maxx product on the next 10 buildings. And same process, same results. You know, I was skeptical at first with the existing condition of the roofs. We were having high winds and shingles were blowing off the roofs continually. But, you know, 5 years later, after the application, the roofs look great, and we have no issues with any shingles blowing off the roof. Before Maxx, the roofs looked very brittle and crunchy and faded, and it didn't look very appealing and made the property kind of look a little in disrepair. And after the Maxx product was applied, it actually refreshed the product, brightened it, made it look new, more cohesive. Roof rejuvenation is a new idea in property management and building ownership. However, I do feel like it should be a standard because it aligns the ideology of what property management, their intent is to do, is to preserve the property and maintain it at a high level for a long period of time at a very fair price. And so roof rejuvenation achieves everything that you would want when you're looking at maintaining your roofs.